If your Word document has too many extra spaces and you want to clean it up fast, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete extra spaces in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if your text looks messy, your paragraphs have inconsistent spacing, or you copied and pasted content from another source. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. This can be any document that has extra spaces between words or sentences. Once your file is open, you're going to use a very powerful built-in feature called Find and Replace. To open it quickly, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. That opens the Find and Replace window, which is the fastest way to remove unwanted spacing throughout the document. Now, in the Find What box, you need to type 2 spaces. So press the spacebar twice. This tells Word to look for any place where there are double spaces in your text. Then, in the Replace with the box, type 1 single space. This means Word will replace every double space with a normal single space, which instantly cleans up the formatting. Once both fields are filled in, click Replace All. Word will scan the document and replace every double space it finds with a single space. If your document has a lot of extra spacing, you may need to click Replace All more than once. That's because sometimes there are triple spaces or multiple repeated spaces in different parts of the text. So after the first pass, check the message Word gives you, and if replacements are still available, repeat the process until no more replacements are found. This simple method works great for removing extra spaces in articles, essays, reports, copy text, and even content you've pasted from email or websites. It saves a huge amount of time compared to manually deleting spaces one by one. It also helps make your document look more professional and easier to read. If you want a cleaner final result, take a quick look through the document after replacing the spaces. Sometimes extra spacing can also happen around headings, line breaks, or copied formatting, so it's always a good idea to review the text once you're done. But for basic extra spaces between words, this Find and Replace method is the easiest solution. And that's it. Now you know how to delete extra spaces in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple Word tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.